This is a quick unboxing video of the Quad Carry Bandit keychain knife. Just gonna push it out of the box and show you it's got a really nice black matte finish. It is basically made of titanium, and then the blade, I'm presuming, is going to be made of steel. Okay, take a look at that. Basically unlock it or open it up using the little knob here, and it's got this nice Quiet Carry logo and nice blade. It says it's a particular type of steel, I think, and it fits, nicely in your hand. Basically disappears onto your keychain. Yeah, and you just release it by pushing in this locking mechanism, and then just close it up. What it also comes with, well, it doesn't come with the key ring, but you can actually purchase this as an accessory. So just going to see what this is like. Fine. So I'm gonna stretch this open and install it. So there you go. This is an amazing little combination. So you've got the knife that you can just open up like this. I'm not sure what the most ergonomic way of closing it up again, but you can do that. Just show you this nice detail here with the rivet, the little holes here, just to give a little character, a little accent, a little decorative detail. It's really nicely put together. All right, thanks for watching.